Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, I'm almost new myself. I just started this channel not that long ago, so if you subscribe and like this video, it'll really help the channel grow and my videos get seen. I would appreciate that. The subject today is body acne, how to prevent it and how to treat it and keep it away. So body acne is essentially inflammation of a skin follicle called folliculitis. It can be caused by a blocked pore and it can happen pretty much anywhere on your body, with the most common areas being chest, shoulders, back, and butt. This can happen from things you don't even realize you're doing. For example, if you've never had it before and suddenly you don't understand why you're having body acne, it could be a new hair product that you're using. Very frequently, especially in people with long hair, when they're using hair masks or very rich emollient conditioners, all that product is rinsed off your hair and goes down your back, your butt, your legs, and can clog pores. So that's the first thing that you can be mindful of and basically prevent it. So one thing you can do is rinse out your hair before you wash your body. So then whatever conditioners or masks are left over on your body will actually get washed away. That will be the last step of your shower. Another thing you can do is just try to distance your body from your head by leaning away from your body and just help the water sort of rinse down and straight off the hair and into the drain rather than on your body. So that's the first and super simple solution. Another common reason would be sweating. So working out and then staying in wet clothes because you can't change right away, or wearing very tight clothes or non-breathable fabrics that will block the sweat from evaporating, causing a folliculitis. So again, the best way to prevent that is to have a shower as soon as possible after a workout, or at least just change into fresh clothes. Even if you do that, it will certainly make a difference. The next thing you can do is pick a specific cleanser which will kill bacteria, and the ingredient benzoyl peroxide is great for that. It can be very drying and you can find concentrations up to 10%. I would recommend you start less than 4%, and if it works for you, that's great. There's no reason to go to a higher percentage. It can be used on your face or your body, and benzoyl peroxide will kill bacteria, clear out your pores, eliminate sebum. It will also bleach your towels, so you don't want to use colored towels, and you should not use it in pregnancy. One example here I have is the Clear Pore by Neutrogena. This is a 3.5 benzoyl peroxide, and it can be used as a cleanser. You can leave it on the skin for a few minutes as a mask. And these benzoyl peroxide products are a bit drying. So if you don't need to leave it on your skin, if you find that you get a lot of improvement just washing with this, then that should be enough. Something else you could consider is a salicylic acid wash. I find they're not as effective, but salicylic acid does get into pores and does clean out those pores, so you may find that that could be very helpful. A great one is Epichlor by La Roche-Posay, so you could try that as an alternative to benzoyl peroxide. Once your skin is cleansed, the next best thing you could do is apply an AHA, BHA product on the skin. In other words, you want an alpha hydroxy acid, which is gonna remove the outermost dead skin cell layer. And if you're removing just the surface skin cells, you're helping open up the pores and prevent blockage of the pores. And a BHA, as I just mentioned, will get into the pore and clean out the pore. So those two products in conjunction are really, really helpful in preventing inflammation of those pores. So you can find a ton of different brands at the drugstore. They all work great. You can look for a salicylic acid that's 2%. You can look for combination AHA, BHA. I have an example here of Clearasil. Neutrogena makes one. They're just little pads, and you would just apply them to the affected area. Once you're done that and you are looking for a moisturizer in the same sort of concept, you want to exfoliate the dead skin cells so the pores don't get blocked. You can use a moisturizer that has lactic acid in it. Those are very effective, and I have one here somewhere. Yeah. So amlactin is a great one. It's very hydrating, but it also has lactic acid. So you're going to be basically exfoliating those dead skin cells off the surface. And as you do that, hopefully the pores won't get clogged, won't get blocked, and won't get inflamed. So those are my super quick tips on how to prevent and how to treat body acne. If you try them, if you find anything works, if you have questions, feel free to leave them down below, and I will see you in the comments.